Good morning, everyone. So today we are just going to discuss how to write your article in LaTeX. And you see, most of you are new to LaTeX, so I will just make a basic video that will be very helpful for you. Now, first type overleaf.com. It is, as you can see, overleaf.com/project. You put an enter. I have already logged in. So with my login ID, let's open this file Vishal. Okay, so if you want to do something new, then just do a new project. Okay, new project, take it for, suppose, your proceeding project. Okay, create it. This is a proceeding project. It's opening up, and these are the macros that we are using. Just cancel it for the first time because nothing is out there. So the template that I already gave you uh, this morning, uh, hold on a minute. Okay, so this is the text file. Just a moment, I think it's in download. Yeah, yes. Vishal, I copy yours. And suppose I make a new folder out here, trial, paste it here, extra. So these are nothing. You should just keep here. So what are these things? This is a text file. Actually, you don't need all these things. These are the photographs, the figures that he had put in the file. These are the participants' photograph, and this is the reference file. That is a bibtext file, and I will show you how to make a bibtext file in the later part of this lecture. Now, when you open it, as I have given, you just start with this one as macros. You just take it, doc, and till begin document, you put it, copy, and put in here. Okay, now the next thing is that you just have to put a title. Okay, now all these commands that we will be using out here, let me show you one by one. Okay, it will be better if I just put it like this. Okay, now this I just copied. Now let me tell you, these are the commands, these are the macros. Okay, packages. So you just use these packages, and many a time you will find that there is your function sec hyperbolic. So make it sec hyperbolic, already declare it. Okay, so that appears as mathematical operator. Now begin document, this is the command window. You see, backslash begin command window, and you write the title in normal font. That's the what I meant. That means the first letter of every word would be capital, and the interjection, the conjunction, and articles, those things will be lower letter, lowercase. Okay, okay. Now author. Now these are the authors: Vishal Raj, Rajeshwari, and I just put a comma, 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 and this is it. I didn't put a bracket out here, braces, because their affiliation and all those things will come at the bottom. So you just, for the latex template corresponding to this, you write thanks and write within thanks you put a brace and Vishal Raj his email. Similarly, you get yours and accordingly, and finally you complete it. So where will it come? It will come on the bottom side, left corner, left column, bottom. So till then, now make title and begin abstract. Now after begin abstract, you write the abstract. And remember, whenever you are putting any symbol in text, you should put within this dollar sign. And for every mathematical symbol, that is eta, phi, zeta, xi, whatever it is, we write it in word preceded by a backslash, like this. So this is the title written, abstractly written here. Indent, that means we will come for the text PACS number. You put your PACS number here. End abstract. Abstract done. Now you start the keywords. Begin keywords. Put the keywords with comma. End keywords. Now your section starts. Section, introduction. What is the name of the section? Introduction. Keep the I capital and not all capital, because that will be cumbersome. That is not our style. Okay, so you start with the first letter a bit bold and bigger. So IT paragraph start, you put the first letter E, and then you put electron, because we want to put it electron. So this is the standard style that they have used with these packages, and this is the electron acoustic wave, blah blah, and what they have written. Now you see I have cited here reference. So this is relatable when we will be doing with bib text and other bib item. So if you want to, if you don't want to put a reference, that is citing of the articles, you don't need to, you just put a third bracket and give the number of your reference, provided your order of uh, this thing, your order of bib items, if you do in bib item, that would be the same. But here we have used the bib text item, so it is better. So what are reference 1, reference 7? These are all the references that you will find in this paper. uh, just hold on. Yes, you see here, mm, they have put the, that is uh, this references. So it is one references, and this one I named reference 1 while making the beep text. Now coming to the expression latex file, once again you just put it like this, fraction. So these are how the things go, very smooth. And I will make 2 more videos, just how to write your equation in latex from math word, math type or word, or however it is. It's very simple. I'll show you, just don't worry. So this is the thing that I have cited, and everything is done. So his introduction is over. Now the next section is basic equation. So he has put here label. Why label? Because many times it happens that we want to connect with this. This part is not required. Label, this part is also not required. But you keep it a label, basic equation, as a short name. So whenever you want to link up with this, it will be easier. Okay. So this is how they have written. Now if you want to put an equation, you don't want to put the equation number, so begin equation, level equation 1, that's how you want to name it. You write the equation here, end equation. And as I have said, whenever you are putting all these things, symbols and functions, mathematical, these are within dollar sign, that is a mathematical way. So this is how they have put all the equation 2 3 4. And so you see this equation was a bigger equation, so you don't come in one, that double column matrix. So they have used a multi-line. Multi-line will or split up the equation. How? Let me show you. Here you see, if when we have used the multi-line equation, the equation already splits up. Okay, so it's comfortable looking. Now is the normalized equations is also multi-line. and then we get for the um, equation corresponding to the perturbation expansion. So this is the bigger part of the equation. So I will show you how to obtain it, because those are in the matrix form. And once it's made, you write the dispersion relation, begin equation, and I have just named it as per the Word file. So that makes my work a bit simpler. So next section is level and result and discussions, and here we put the figure. Now you see in figure, begin figure, you can put exclamatory T, or you can also put H here. This is how it is noted. These are the codes. Include graphics. This is the width is 3 inch, angle is perpendicular, and it's not tilted. The name of the figure. Whenever you put here, the name of the figure should be included. Where it should be included? It should be included in this. So here we put an upload. Go to upload. Go to computers. Go to desktop. Go to Vishal's trial, and here you see you put all these things, and these will all get uploaded. So when you are using an overlay online, you can also download text version, and in that case those will be in your own file folder, same folder. Okay, so all this has come up, all the DPs have come up, and references the biptex. So whenever I include anything, suppose I put here, so you just put it Vishal, VISHL, you see, get it, Vishal figure PNG आ गया. So that's how we already आ जाएगा. If you have already uploaded here, it will automatically show you suggestions. So is the end figure, you begin figure, and you have just discussed on those things, and level conclusion, and you have included the conclusion. Okay, and that's how we have done. And bibliography. Now you see, I said that already the references are in the maybe in the bibliography. I will show you how the bibliography file, bibtex file looks like. It's something like this. Bibtex file is very easy. You can just make it in text file and copy in the existing bibtex. And here you see these are the all the references. Reference 1, reference 2. That's how I have named. Now in my next video, I will show you how to make a bibtex file. So these are the how the things. Now while putting your biography, you see this is the format, include graphics, and Rajeshwari's dp.jpg. That was the name of the file, I think. Rajeshwari space dp.jpg. That was the file, and it is something about him, about her, and Puja Kumari, and everything is there. Now you see, if you do not put this v fill, the columns won't adjust. So you put a line of v fill, and let me check how it forms. Compile, download, open, and you see this is perfect. Their file, and it's their latex file. इसमें कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. So everything is very simple. Now in my next two videos, I will show you how to make the equations in latex from Word and math type, whatever it is, and how to make the bibtex file. And thank you. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to save your work, you just get here, click here, source. All your source files will come as a zip folder. Start download, and it is already stored in your computer. So that's how. Okay, so is the Bisha proceeding project. I just made it. So you just download it. Thank you.